Good morning, kids. How are you? I miss you so much. Today we are going to learn about animals. Let's start with zoo animals. The first animal is lion. Lions are very dangerous. They eat meat. The next zoo animal is tiger. Tigers are very dangerous. They also eat meat. The next zoo animal is elephant. Elephants are very big. They have big ears and long trunks. They eat plants. The next one is monkey. Monkeys like to eat bananas and peanuts. The next zoo animal is giraffe. Giraffe has very long neck. They like to eat leaves. Also, we have hippopotamus or hippo. They like to eat water plants and they like to play in water. The next animal is zebra. Zebras like to eat grass. The next animal is kangaroo. Kangaroos are different to other animals. They don't walk, they only jump. They like to eat grass. Here we have another zoo animal, bear. Bears are dangerous. They like to eat fish. The next animal is crocodile. Crocodiles are very dangerous. They like to eat fish. We have so many other animals in the forest, like gorilla, deer, gazelle, snake, panda, also rhinoceros. Thank you for watching. See you soon.